Hi, we're 4T and we've put together a short video displaying the positive things people have been doing around the world to help each other while staying apart. During this time, it's more important than ever to help each other in any way that we can. We'll now show you some videos showing the kindness and positivity of communities around the world.
Firstly, in Thailand, dozens of elephants that were once used for carrying tourists have been set free as the parks were closed due to the coronavirus. For the first time after 44 years, the 78 elephants at Maisa Elephant Camp in northern Thailand will not have to carry their heavy wooden and metal seat carriages used for carrying tourists as entertainment. The elephant park closed due to the coronavirus pandemic, but once it reopens, camp management has decided to let visitors enjoy learning about the elephants by observing them in their natural habitat rather than using them inhumanely. The pandemic has also led to a rapid increase in foster pet applications. Due to the coronavirus, more and more people are quarantined in their homes. Food supplies and toilet paper may not be the only thing that people need in their lives right now, though. Shelters have reported rapid increases in foster applications since the start of the quarantine period. A shelter in New York, for example, had to close its doors because all its pets were fostered. Shelter managers only hope the interest in fostering continues after the crisis. Lastly, the Premier League football clubs have donated unused food to people in need that would have otherwise been eaten by people attending matches. Due to the coronavirus outbreak, all matches and events were postponed. All sports were affected. However, the food provided for the matches in advance will not be wasted. Premier League clubs donated all the food to charities and homeless shelters. This initiative helps food banks deliver food for the most vulnerable people in these certain times.
These videos show us that we have to stay positive and lift each other up as much as possible. Because after all, every cloud has a silver lining, and although we cannot control the situation, we can control our reactions and their effects. Imagine if we all performed one act of kindness every day for someone else, just as this man has. Not only will we be giving someone else a gift, they will be giving you one in return, because the feeling of satisfaction you will be rewarded with will boost your spirits too.